Hey, how you doing? Good. Okay, so before we really get into doing Tai Chi, I'd like to explain some of the foot movements, some of the foot positions, as that really is the foundational to all the Tai Chi, the rest of the Tai Chi that we're going to be learning. The most important of all postures or positions is the front stance or the bow step. Here it is in all of its glory. Okay, so we're in that front stance. So the front leg, doesn't matter which leg it is. If it's my left is here, I have the camera adjusted so it's mirroring. So if I'm using my left hand, you should be able to mirror me and have your left hand, showing too. So you don't have to make any kind of crazy transforming in your mind left to right. Okay, so here we are. Left foot is forward. It's a 90-degree down to the ground. I'm 60-40 weight. Back leg slightly bent, 45 degrees. Here we are. Now, if you notice, I have a little bit of gap here, don't I? A lot of yoga positions where it's like you're on a railroad track or on a tightrope, right? Warrior pose. With Tai Chi, it's a little bit different because imagine you're on a railroad track, okay? So that is a big difference between those two. So if you're used to being here, you have to be open to being here, okay? Imagine there's one railroad track here, that foot is securely on it, and this part of your foot right here is on the other part, okay? So that is, when we're in a front stance, that's what we're looking for. Now let's break down the front stance a little bit more. As I said, this foot, whatever foot is forward, that foot should be pointing straight forward. Now, if you had laser beams that were shooting out of your shoulders and your hips, they should be pointing in the same direction as that foot. So we are not here when we're doing it. Everything is turn. Everything is lined up. Very much like Wu Ji. Top of the head is pulled up. The spinal cord is pulled down. So here we have that pulling, everything's sinking, but then the skeleton is being pulled up, okay? So we are 60-40 weight here. You should feel nice and solid in that position. Now, this posture of the front stance, we have many movements in Tai Chi. We have parting the wild horse's mane is in the front stance. We have brush knee push step is in the front stance. Single whip is in the front stance. Boxing the temples is in the front stance. Fair lady works the shuttles is in the front stance. So you can see this is very important, and we want to just work on that. If we can actually just, for a little bit of time every day, just kind of get comfortable in that posture. Just sit there, take some breaths, just let yourself sink into there, let your muscles marinate, let the fascia marinate that position. So when we're moving in transition, we step into it, your body's gonna be like, this is like coming home. Okay, so we're just going to work on that one for this video. There'll be another video about some other of the positions, but that's the main one, so work on that one, okay? Take care.